health habit adjuster. If you want non-emergency medical assistance from a virtual health experts, go to howtogetridofhealthissues.com/mobile doctor. They have a team of mobile doctors is standing by around the clock so you can stop any health issue quickly and effectively. Collagen. It's the $9 billion industry promising you a fountain of youth in a scoop of powder. But there's a detail almost everyone is missing. While it's still trending everywhere, the latest science is framing it as something far more modest than the dramatic transformation you've been sold. So what exactly is it that they don't want you to know? Today we're opening the Forensic Wellness Archive to follow the evidence. We're moving past the influencers and the glossy pill renders. We're going strictly evidence-based to see if your supplement is actually doing anything. To understand the controversy, we first have to understand what collagen actually is, and more importantly, how your body treats it once it hits your stomach. Collagen is the primary structural protein in your body. It's the glue that holds everything together, your skin, your joints, and even your bones. But the latest coverage isn't talking about miracles. It's talking about modest benefits, skin hydration, elasticity, and joint health. No dramatic transformations here. The gap between what marketing promises and what clinical reality delivers is exactly where the debate begins, and it's a gap worth billions. Here is the first detail people miss. When you swallow collagen, your body doesn't see collagen. It sees a protein that needs to be dismantled. Your stomach acid and enzymes break those long protein chains down into individual amino acids. To your body, it's just another source of protein, like a piece of chicken or a bean. The idea that the collagen you eat travels directly to your skin and plumps it up is a biological myth. It's not a GPS-guided beauty treatment. Your body takes those broken down pieces and puts them into a general pool. It then decides where to send them based on where they are needed most. So, does it help your skin? The evidence says yes, but with a caveat. It's a modest benefit option for hydration and elasticity, not a wrinkle eraser. Studies show that consistent supplementation can increase skin hydration by a small percentage over several months. It's a slow burn, not a quick fix. When it comes to your joints, the story is similar. It's about maintenance and slow recovery for those dealing with osteoarthritis or athlete wear and tear. And for bones, long-term studies suggest collagen might support bone mineral density in postmenopausal women. Again, we're talking about percentage points, not a complete reversal. Then there's the question of source: bovine, marine, or poultry. Marketing claims one is vastly superior, but the forensic evidence suggests the body is less picky. What actually matters is that it's hydrolyzed. This means the protein is already broken into smaller peptides for easier absorption. That's the scientific sweet spot. But you're paying a premium for that pre-digested protein, often much more than you would for a high-quality whey or plant protein that provides similar amino acids. What they don't want you to know is that your lifestyle might be killing your collagen faster than a supplement can replace it. UV rays, smoking, and high-sugar diets are the true villains. Your body can't even build collagen without vitamin C. If you're deficient there, that expensive powder is just passing through your system. Consider the case of most clinical trials. They often show significant results, but in the world of statistics, significant doesn't always mean noticeable to the human eye. This brings us to the controversy. Do you actually need a supplement, or are you just being sold a more expensive version of gelatin? Let's look at the whole food evidence. Bone broth, eggs, and fish skin have been providing collagen for centuries, but the industry says their laboratory-refined versions are more bioavailable. Is that true? While supplements are easier to measure, the science on whether they are truly better for your skin than a high-protein diet is still debated in forensic circles. By age 25, your collagen production begins to drop by about 1% every year. By 50, it's a significant decline. This is why the miracle pitch works so well. Marketing preys on this biological reality. They frame collagen loss as a failure you need to fix with a credit card, rather than a natural part of the human archive. Wait until you look at the fillers. Many trending collagen powders are packed with artificial sweeteners and gums that might actually work against your holistic wellness goals. Some users report bloating or digestive distress. Again, a detail usually buried in the fine print of the transformation stories. It's not a universal benefit. In some trials, the placebo group reported similar improvements in feeling better. Our minds are powerful editors of our own health narratives. Is it the collagen, or are people just drinking more water to mix their powder? Hydration alone accounts for a massive portion of the glow people report. There's also the environmental cost. Sourcing $9 billion worth of animal byproduct is a forensic challenge for the planet. The archive on sustainability is mixed. And for my plant-based friends, vegan collagen doesn't actually exist as a protein. Those are collagen boosters, basically the building blocks, not the structure itself. They provide glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, but your body still has to do all the heavy lifting of assembly. There is no shortcut in the plant kingdom. So what's the forensic verdict? Collagen is a modest benefit tool. It's a support system, not a savior. If you go in expecting a miracle, you'll be disappointed. But if you're looking for a 7% improvement in skin elasticity over 3 months, the evidence says that is a realistic, evidence-based goal. For the fitness enthusiast dealing with nagging joint pain, it might be the extra 5% that makes your recovery feel a little smoother. Just a little. The key is consistency. Your body doesn't build a new archive of tissue overnight. It takes 12 to 24 weeks to see these modest shifts. Patience is the missing ingredient. Then there's the dosage. Marketing says more is better, but the evidence suggests a ceiling effect. Anything over 15 grams might just be expensive waste. When you take it also matters less than they claim. Morning, night, empty stomach. Your digestive factory processes protein pretty efficiently regardless of the time. Here's another detail. The supplement industry isn't strictly regulated for effectiveness. A brand can claim youthful glow without a single clinical trial on their specific formula. This is why you must look for third-party testing. Some collagen sources have been found to contain heavy metals like lead or mercury. That's a forensic nightmare you want to avoid. Marine collagen is often touted as cleaner, but it's mostly just a smaller molecular weight. It's easier for the technician that is your stomach to break down. That's all. Some claim collagen heals leaky gut. While there is some preliminary evidence, the forensic archive on this is still very much under investigation. Don't bet your health on it yet. If you're eating a high-sugar diet, you're causing glycation, a process where sugar molecules bond to collagen and make it brittle. No supplement can out-train a bad diet. Glycation is like rusting from the inside. It makes your skin lose its snap and your joints feel stiff. Protecting your existing collagen is more effective than buying more. The best collagen supplement in the world. It's a $5 bottle of sunscreen. UV rays account for 80% of visible skin aging. That is the forensic truth. UV light literally fragments your collagen fibers. It's like taking a pair of scissors to your internal structural glue. Supplements can't keep up with that level of destruction. Collagen synthesis happens primarily while you sleep. If you're not getting 7 to 8 hours, you're skipping the night shift when your body actually uses those amino acids to repair. Wellness isn't something you buy, it's a series of habits you archive. The powder is just a minor footnote in the larger story of your health. Ask yourself, is $50 a month worth a 5% improvement in skin hydration? For some, the answer is yes. For others, that money is better spent on high-quality whole foods. A basket of eggs, sardines, and citrus fruits provides all the building blocks for collagen at a fraction of the price. The marketing just makes the bottle feel more scientific.
Sometimes there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Does collagen have a place? Absolutely. It's a convenient, low-calorie way to get specific amino acids that are often missing from the modern Western diet. It has its niche. We don't eat nose to tail anymore. We don't eat the gristle and the connective tissue where collagen lives. Supplements bridge that gap. That's their true clinical purpose. And let's debunk the gut healing hype one more time. While amino acids are good for cells, collagen isn't a magical spackle that seals your digestive tract. The evidence just isn't there yet. Always check the funding. Many studies showing dramatic collagen benefits are funded by the very companies selling the product. In the forensic world, we call that a conflict of interest. For every subject A who sees glowing skin, there is a subject B who sees no change at all. Genetics and your baseline diet play a massive, unmarketable role. Your unique genetic archive determines how efficiently you build collagen. No one-size-fits-all scoop can change your biological blueprint. That's a detail they always miss. So, integrate it if you like the convenience, but don't let it replace the heavy hitters. Holistic wellness is about the whole archive, not just one chapter. The science is evolving. We might find more targeted peptides in the future, but for now the evidence points to a modest benefit option for those with the budget for it. This brings us to the end of today's forensic deep dive. I want to hear from you. Has collagen been a miracle for you, or just another expensive powder in the cabinet? Let's start a debate in the comments. Supplementation versus whole foods, where do you stand? Your personal archive of experience helps us all learn about. If you want more strictly evidence-based health explainers that look past the marketing hype, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We have more cases to open. Share this video with someone who's currently spending their paycheck on collagen. Let's help them see the modest truth behind the $9 billion trend. Remember, your body doesn't see collagen, it sees protein. It breaks it down and sends the pieces where it wants, not where you want. Detail number 1. Detail number 2. Benefits are modest. Hydration and joint comfort are realistic. Dramatic transformations are usually marketing, not biology. Manage your expectations. And detail number 3, protect what you have. Sunscreen, sleep, and a low-sugar diet will save more collagen than any scoop of powder ever could. Archive that. Thanks for following the evidence with us today. I'm your forensic wellness guide, and this case is officially closed. Stay evidence-based, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next investigation. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it now, so it can take of you later. As Daily Health Habit Adjuster, make it simple as
your wish is my command.